morning. I'm here today at Waterfall Waterfall, which you can see behind me. It's a little bit cold. We're late in the season here, I think. It's probably the most tourists I've seen anywhere on a Wednesday. So I'm here at the close-up view of Waterfall Falls. And supposedly it's like the biggest waterfall in the world. I don't know about that. It's supposedly bigger than Niagara Falls. See it? I think it's false advertising. Kind of like the rainbow desert in Zangye, which was not really a rainbow. Next, we're gonna try to go behind the waterfall. Probably it's gonna get wet because everybody's wearing these plastic suits. Got a little bit of mist there. Let's go behind the waterfall. Alright, we are going behind the waterfall. Seems to be the big cool thing to do. Not so sure it's going to be that epic, but we'll see. Here we go, behind the falls. Well, they have some mood lighting. Pretty exciting. I think we're going to a rave. Rave in a cave. It's definitely a little trippy back there. Fighting for phone space. Behind the waterfall. Now I'm one of those people. Alright, we are now behind the waterfall. Getting a nice shower. Sometimes you have to get a little creative to get somewhere where there's not a bunch of tourists. Behind the waterfall continues. So far, maybe gonna exit here. Like that. Well, I guess that was it. That was the behind the waterfall cave tour. Super exciting. And at the end of the waterfall curtain A, we let you go through to see the waterfall on the backside. Here we have the mountain trash paid by everyone who started last week right there. I'm here outside of the traditional tourist shop area. They've got all sorts of weird things. This being one of them. Weird fruit that I just picked up. I'm gonna try it out, but it tastes a little weird. It's like the fruit you can't taste very much, but the seeds are chewy, almost like beans. The aftertaste is super weird. It's like sour and bitter. So I'm not sure I'm supposed to eat the seeds. Hopefully I will live through the experience. We'll see. This is Waterfall Falls. I didn't realize at first that this was also part of the scenic area, so you can just take the tour bus to this area after Wangshu. I thought it was just Wangshu was the whole thing. So makes the admission price a little more worth it because there's more things to see. Get a selfie with my homie Pigsy for a moment. This guy is like really famous in this movie in China called Journey to the West. Never heard of it, but they quoted like literally every single place that I've been in China. They talk about Journey to the West. So maybe I'll have to watch it someday.